Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're replacing the diesel fuel filter on a Volvo S40 2.0D, the 2-liter 100 kW PSA-based diesel engine. You'll need a 8mm socket, a Torx TX30-bit or socket, a 27mm socket, some paper towels, a new fuel filter insert, and O-ring. The rubber sealing is included with the filter. Next, we need a pump. Use a hand primer bulb pump with a built-in check valve. Most of these pumps have one. Look for the arrow on the housing. I used a large syringe this time, but I do personally avoid it in the future. It's better to get one with pipes already included. You'll need pipes with a 10mm diameter. That's about 3/8 of an inch. Alright, let's get started. You'll find the fuel filter housing on the left side of the engine bay, right next to the coolant tank. It's black plastic cap with two fuel hoses connected to it. Before removing the cap, clean the area thoroughly. You don't want any dirt or debris falling into the housing. Unscrew the metal plate that covers the filter cap. A 8mm socket will help you. Let's see where the last screw is hiding. Gotta find it by feel, it's basically invisible. Let's unplug the connector. That one's easy. We've got two hoses here, one coming from the fuel tank and the other one going to injection pump. If you see a connector down here, take it off. That's the water in fuel sensor. Mine doesn't have it. Finally, let's go ahead and unscrew the cap. Take out the filter and let it drain. Let's take the filter off the cap. Try not to spill it. We still need that diesel. Remove O-ring. And replace it with a new O-ring. Lubricate the new O-ring with diesel. Grab the new filter. Just push it into the cap, it should lock in place. You'll feel it snap when it's sealed properly. Dip the filter into diesel. Make sure there is enough to fully cover it. Time to screw the cap back on. Hook both hoses back up. Snap the connector back into place. Let's screw that hidden bolt back in. Put the metal plate back on. Now it's time to work on the diesel. We need to prime the system. The main goal is to pull diesel up to the injection pump. The hose from the filter to the injection pump shouldn't have any air inside. The injector pump is located near the battery. Disconnect the transparent hose from the injection pump. Then you'll need to connect the hose to the pump. If you don't have the hand primer bulb I showed you at the beginning of the video, use a large syringe to draw fuel through the outlet line. I'm gonna make a bit of mess and use a big syringe without the proper diameter and a glove to seal it by hand. You'll basically suck the air and the fuel from the filter and fuel tank. Be patient with the syringe, it takes a while. got the hose back on successfully. Then I let go for a second to attach it to the injection pump. Bit of diesel lagged back and left about a 15 cm or 8-inch air pocket, but it still started just fine. Before cracking the engine, I loosened the screw to help the system bleed. Once it fired up, I just tightened it back in place. It fired up on the second try after about 10 seconds of cracking each time. And now we're good to go. Thanks for watching, I hope it helped. You'll help me a lot by subscribing to the channel. There will be more videos about fixing these engines. Have a great time working on your own projects.